up?
Oh, I'm guessing it was the paint bucket. Thank you, guys.
Of course. You okay?
Oh yeah, I think it was just
No pain anywhere?
No.
Okay.
Put it on top.
You got it?
Yeah. Thanks, guys. Continue.
What the fuck happened? Oh,
no,
that thing?
I think they just grabbed something.
Your tires were cold, the sled, huh?
No, I don't know. I was barely on the gas. I think it was just the dirt. Yeah.
Is your step bent? Or
No, this is bent, but it's okay. I still got movement.
how about that one? Your step.
Huh? Good.
No, but it's bent.
I know, but it's still working.
Okay. But can you, let's see if you can open it.
Oh, this, yeah.
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Awesome.
Oh,
Let's
so we
just
good?
take it easy, huh? Fuck.
Sure.